Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use custom fonts on iPhone and iPad. This tutorial uses an app that is literally called Fonts, and a link to download it will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and click on Go to Font Settings. Select Keyboards and turn on Fonts. You do not need to allow full access, so don't worry about the warning under it. When you want to type in a special font, hold down on the globe icon on the keyboard and select Fonts. There are a lot of fonts to choose from, so I'll pick Outline. Now your text should look like the one you selected. The cool thing about this app is it lets you use the fonts on lots of apps, including Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.